Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to a printer from a computer. Connecting your printer doesn't have to be a complicated task, and I'm here to make it easy for you. We'll explore both the straightforward wired connection method using a USB cable and the convenient wireless setup that allows you to print from anywhere in your home or office. By the end of this guide, you'll have your printer up and running, ready to handle all your printing needs with confidence. Let's get started. Connecting your printer with a cable is often the quickest way to get started. First, ensure your printer is plugged in and powered on, with some paper loaded. Then, simply take your printer's USB cable and connect one end to the printer and the other end to an available USB port on your computer. In most cases, your computer will automatically detect the new hardware and begin installing the necessary drivers. It's a truly plug-and-play experience, getting you ready to print in just a few moments. For a more flexible setup, a wireless connection is ideal. First, ensure your printer is connected to your home or office Wi-Fi network, following its specific instructions. Then, on your computer, open your system settings and find the Printers and Scanners or Devices section. Click Add a Printer or Scanner, and your computer will search for available wireless printers. Select your printer from the list, and your system will handle the rest, allowing you to print without physical cables. This offers great flexibility. Sometimes your computer might not automatically install the necessary drivers. If this happens, don't worry. Simply visit your printer manufacturer's official website and navigate to their support or downloads section. You'll find the correct drivers there. Download and run the installer, following the on-screen instructions carefully. Once the drivers are installed, it's a good idea to print a test page. This confirms that everything is working perfectly and your printer is ready for all your documents and photos. Happy printing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.